So how much time will you think कि इसका structure complete हो जाएगा for the presidential?
See, there are 8 towers in the presidential, तो
Okay.
end of May, beginning of June से हम लोग start करेंगे structure completion.
सबसे अच्छी चीज मेरे को ना इसका क्लब लगता है बिकॉज वो डॉम शेप में है, मतलब बहुत डिफरेंशिएटिव क्लब हाउस है एज कम्पेयर टू अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स, और ऐसा क्लब आई थॉट पूरे एशिया में कहीं नहीं है, तो उसकी कंस्ट्रक्शन कब स्टार्ट होगी?
तो आप ये देख सकते हैं the area there is being emptied.
Okay.
So we are removing these containers which are in that particular area. We are clearing up the area. So hopefully by end of March we should be in a position.
So guys, once this project will be delivered in a market, it would be the one of the finest project of the Dwarka Expressway.
But we are specially going for Zone 5 design. So the amount of steel, the kind of design to withstand the torsional forces, the twisting moments is very enhanced in our project.
हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स ने इन्वेस्ट किया है, तो उन्हें अपार्टमेंट देखने को कब मिलेगा?
जैसे आप देख रहे हैं जिस स्पीड से चल रहा है तो उस स्पीड से तो अपार्टमेंट्स बनते जा रहे हैं.
Right.
Somewhere May June से तो they can see lot of things inside the apartments. They will be very happy to see that their product is taking a shape.
Hi friends, I am Rost Abhimanyu and welcome to your on channel. So today I got an opportunity to know more about the ongoing construction of Ilanda Presidential and Emperor, the most prestigious project of the Dwarka Expressway. And today we are going to meeting with Mr. Rohit Kakru, who is heading the site of Ilanda Emperor and Presidential in Sector 106.
I am Rohit Kakru. I am the project head for Elan Sector 106 for Presidential and Emperor.
So Rohit ji, we have a few questions about the project, about the ongoing constructions. So my first question is, what construction technology are you using here that makes this project different from the other Gurgaon projects?
See, a very good question, and I'll be very happy to give you a bit of enlightenment on what kind of a construction methodology and what kind of a construction technology we are adopting on the project. We are working here, the structures are being built in the aluminium formwork, and the technology name which has originated originally from Malaysia is called Maiwan Construction Technology. This is a particular type of a formwork which helps us to cast slabs and walls in one time as a monolithic construction. When I say monolithic construction, it really means that we are doing one time concrete of walls and the slabs. So now you can understand this saves the significant time in the construction, gives us a great construction speed, and at the same time gives us an enhanced quality product. The kind of concrete we are doing here with this Maiwan technology, with the aluminium formwork technology, this is giving us smooth concrete surfaces. This is giving us a concrete surface without any undulations, and whenever the customer comes and starts living in this project, the customer will understand the kind of quality surface this kind of construction will give them.
Okay, so great answer, sir. So my second question is, how does the structural quality here compare to other luxury developments in Gurgaon?
See, first of all, when you talk about the structural quality, so this is a very broad word, the structural quality. So let me first of all give you an insight into this also. We are doing this project. This project is being done as per the Zone 5 earthquake resistant design or Zone 5 seismic design. Though we are in Zone 4, we could have designed the project in Zone 4 seismic design requirements.
Okay.
But we are going with the Zone 5. That means we are going with a more strong design, with a more sturdy design, to ensure that the product which is being built here is capable to withstand the seismic forces, is capable to withstand the earthquake loads, and is capable to give a very safe building to the customers who will come and live here. Generally, the other developers who are working in this region, they go as per the Zone 4 requirement design for the earthquake resistance or for what we call is seismic resistance.
Right.
But we are specially going for Zone 5 design. So the amount of steel, the kind of design to withstand the torsional forces, the twisting moments is very enhanced in our project. So definitely the project which is coming up is a very formidable RCC design as per Zone 5 and will give a great strength to the buildings and is very different from the other structures being done by other developers in this region.
सर इट इज गुड टू नो कि बहुत ही डिफरेंट कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रही है इस प्रोजेक्ट की.
क्योंकि हम जोन 5 के हिसाब से डिजाइन कर रहे हैं
Right,
सिस्मिक फोर्सेस के लिए.
So-
तो आजकल की डेट में जहां हम हाई राइजेस बनाते हैं तो एवरीबॉडी इज कंसर्न्ड विद द अर्थक्वेक.
अर्थक्वेक, राइट.
मतलब वो सबसे बड़ा एक ऐसा फोर्स है कि जो बिल्डिंग को हानि पहुंचा
Right,
सकता है.
right.
सो द डिजाइन इज फॉर जोन 5. तो हम एक स्टेप एक्स्ट्रा चल रहे हैं
Right.
टू एंश्योर दैट द बिल्डिंग इज डन इन अ मोस्ट सेफ मैनर.
Right. So my third question is, are there any special construction methods being used to improve quality or speed?
See, we just now spoke about My One aluminium
Right.
formwork technology.
Right.
First of all, we are almost doing 2.5 to 3 floors in 1 month.
Okay.
So
great.
this takes care of the speed.
Right.
So the speed is very much enhanced when we go with this type of My One aluminium formwork. The second cheese you are talking about the quality. The aluminium formwork gives a very smooth surface to the concrete, reduces the undulation. In fact, eliminates the undulation,
Right.
makes the structure in plumb, gives the complete verticality to the structure.
Right.
मतलब आप जब structure को देखेंगे आप बिल्कुल vertical देखेंगे.
Right.
This is the result of this My One aluminium formwork technology. तो इसमें construction speed भी we are achieving and at the same time the quality product is being delivered.
So presidential की construction is going on. So how much time will you think कि इसका structure complete हो जाएगा for the presidential?
See, we will start completing the structures from end of May.
Okay.
मतलब there are 8 towers in the presidential, तो
Okay.
end of May, beginning of June से हम लोग start करेंगे structure completion.
ठीक
So
है.
I would say by October all the towers जो 8 towers है उसका पूरा structure will get over by October. So between end of May, early June to mid of October.
So रोहित जी इस प्रोडक्ट की ना सबसे अच्छी चीज मेरे को ना इसका क्लब लगता है बिकॉज वो डॉम शेप में है मतलब बहुत डिफरेंशिएटिव क्लब हाउस एज कम्पेयर टू अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स और ऐसा क्लब आई थॉट पूरे एशिया में कहीं नहीं है तो उसकी कंस्ट्रक्शन कब स्टार्ट होगी
See, actually, you are very right. This club is very unique. I mean, internationally also, if you compare the kind of clubs which are being constructed worldwide, this particular club, the Billionaires Club, what we call it, is very unique in construction. As you yourself have said, it's in the elliptical shape.
Okay.
So, and the dome and the facade will be very interesting part of this club project.
Okay.
And as you have asked me when we are starting this, तो आप ये देख सकते हैं the area there is being emptied.
Okay.
So we are removing these containers which are in that particular area. We are clearing up the area. So hopefully by end of March we should be in a position to start the club and the related works because there are some related earthworks to be done
Okay.
to start the club foundations. So all that related work will start by end of March.
Okay.
So and this is going to be a really a great construction in this part of the world.
एंड आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू वन मोर क्वेश्चन हम अपार्टमेंट्स के अंदर क्या फिनिशिंग करके दे रहे हैं मतलब क्या डिफरेंशिएटिव है अदर प्रोजेक्ट से
See, हम काफ़ी high end products use कर रहे हैं. We are going with the very high end products in the flooring, in the tiling, and हमारे जो kitchen है, kitchen वाला product जो है हमारा that is really going to be very interesting and probably we are looking into the options. So it is going to be one of the best brands
Right.
there. And other than that, we are going with high class internal painting finishes, which normally the other developers don't do this, but we are going to do the imported brands there.
Okay.
So definitely all this will enhance the products being used in the apartments. And other than this, you must have seen our apartments and you're aware of it.
Right.
We have a fully ventilated apartment scheme here.
Okay.
So that is one great thing about our apartments. Light पूरी आ रही है, ventilation, cross ventilation बहुत अच्छी हो रही है. So which is going to give a good
Appreciation in terms of
good benefit to the customers who will live here.
who will live
So
here, right.
these are quite a good number of advantages for the customer who will live in these flats here.
So guys, once this project will be delivered in a market, it would be the one of the finest project of the Dwarka Expressway. Sir, मैं बहुत सारे projects के साथ काम करता हूँ, बहुत सारे builders के साथ काम करता हूँ. But the work, the execution जो ऐलान के projects में हमें दिख रहा है, because last almost 3 years हुए हैं मैं residentials में enter किए हुए हैं और ऐसा नहीं लगता मुझे लगता है कि ऐलान already 10 से 15 project delivered कर चुका है and now they are making one more project because
See, I will just add on to what you have said, Abhimanyu, just now. So you can, I'm sure you know it, and I want to again, bring it into your notice.
Right.
We have Lighten here,
Right.
which is one of the best internationally reputed contractors.
Right.
So Lighten is doing the execution of the project, for Elan. So they are one of the best, as I said, and I'm
Right.
repeating it again,
Right.
in the international market. So the kind of quality, the kind of speed, and the kind of safety
Safety, right.
they are giving, I think it is unmatched.
Unmatched, right. Even मैंने तो सुना है sir, they are not using a normal water. They are
Yes.
using a RO treated
Oh
water,
yes,
right?
this is one good thing you have touched, and we are using the RO water here. The reverse osmosis plant है हमारा यहाँ पे, तो उसमें से जो water निकल रहा है, that we are using for the construction. So that gives us, जो हम concrete mix बना रहे हैं या site पे use कर रहे हैं,
Right.
So it's very pure water, and it again enhances the strength and durability of the concrete which is being poured here in Presidential and
And Ampro. Okay. So sir, my last question is, if a buyer invests here, what construction advantage will they notice after possession?
Well, Abhimanyu, I think we have all spoken, but somehow your question is very relevant. We have to summarize what we spoke.
Right.
First of all, we are doing Zone 5 earthquake resistant
Right.
structure, so that gives them the tremendous amount of safety,
Right.
more than what is required. So they are getting a robust, strong structure to live in.
Right.
Second, our world-class finishes on the job site, which is being executed by Lighten, who are the best internationally reputed contractors.
Right.
So the kind of quality they will give will not find any parallel in this region.
In this reason, right.
Yes. And the third thing is, we spoke about the club.
Club.
This is a very unique
यूनिक क्लब, बिलियनियर्स क्लब. इवन मैंने तो सुना है सर, इसका जो आउटर सेल्स है वो आई थॉट किसी दूसरी कंट्री से असेंबल हो रहे हैं.
Exactly, Mero is going to do that.
Mero is going to do that.
We spoke about Lighten, but I must speak about Mero also,
Mero
who are going to do the dome and the construction of the facade of the club, and then Lera from Germany, who are going to design the foundations.
Foundations, okay.
So they are again going to get this unique structure in this project.
Okay.
And then SWA, they are taking care of the other landscape works, and they are one of the best in the world.
Right, right.
UHA, the principal architects, they are one of the best in the world.
The best.
So I would say all the best team, the best team of the world is here on this project.
And they
so
are
what
going
else?
to
What
deliver
else
the
a customer
marquee.
wants?
Yeah, that's the customers want
So this is not what you get in this region.
in this reason, right?
So
Even
all the entire team is the best, and the internationally reputed team is there
Right.
to work on this project.
work on this project.
So
Okay.
I think these are all the advantages for a customer.
So हमारा एक और क्वेश्चन है,
live here.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन है सर. एक्चुअली हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स ने इन्वेस्ट किया है, तो उन्हें अपार्टमेंट देखने को कब मिलेगा?
Sure, I mean देखिए, अभी अब जैसे आप देख रहे हैं जिस स्पीड से चल रहा है, तो उस स्पीड से तो अपार्टमेंट्स बनते जा रहे हैं.
राइट.
तो I think the best time would be next few months time.
Okay.
They can come somewhere May June से, तो they can see lot of things
Okay.
inside the apartments.
Inside the
They will be very happy to see that their product is taking a shape.
लाइकली सर, मैंने तो कुछ पिक्चर्स देखी लॉबी की जो एसेंसिया डिजाइन कर रहा है. मतलब आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड टू नो कि ऐसी लॉबीज तो मैंने देखी नहीं है अभी गुड़गांव
See,
में.
again, yes,
Yeah.
Essentia is here with us, and they are very much into the interior contracting works.
Right.
And yes, you are very right. The lobbies here are going to be very special, very specially designed and very specially executed.
Right.
And they are going to be, again, as I said, one of the best in the industry in this region. So all these are the advantages to the customers who will live here.
सो सर, इन्वेस्टर्स को क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आप, who have already invested और जो सोच रहे हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट करने का?
See, the customers who have already invested, they need to keep faith in us, as we are bringing in, or we have brought in the best of the world to this presidential and emperor. So they need to keep that faith ongoing in us, and we stay thankful to them.
Right.
And I'm sure very soon the best product will get delivered to them, and it will be to their satisfaction. In fact, it will be more to their satisfaction. And the investors who want to invest, I would request them, please come ahead and invest, and see what we are going to offer them, and see what we are going to deliver to them, with the best industry partners coming under one roof to deliver presidential and emperor for all our esteemed customers.
Right, sir.
That's all.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you रोहित जी for your valuable time. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो आप वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें